Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Facing that dreaded black screen when trying to play your PlayStation 5? It's a common issue that many gamers encounter, and it usually means your console isn't communicating with your TV. Don't worry, in this video, we'll guide you through a few straightforward troubleshooting steps. Most of the time, the fix is much simpler than you might think, and we'll have you back in action in no time. The first and easiest step is to always check your connections. Make sure your HDMI cable is fully and securely plugged into both your PlayStation 5 and your TV. Sometimes, a loose connection is all it takes to cause a black screen. If that doesn't work, try plugging the HDMI cable into a different port on your television. You might even want to try a completely different HDMI cable altogether, just to rule out a faulty one. Simple changes often make all the difference. Next up, a power cycle can work wonders. Completely unplug your PlayStation 5 from its power source, wait a few minutes, then plug it back in. This can help clear any temporary glitches. If the black screen persists, you can try booting into safe mode. To do this, press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep. Once in safe mode, you might adjust the resolution settings, which often fixes display issues with certain TVs. Still no signal? Let's try some advanced checks. First, connect your PlayStation 5 to a different TV or monitor. This helps isolate if the issue is with your console or your original display. Also, carefully inspect the HDMI port on your PS5 itself. Look for bent pins or any visible damage. Finally, ensure your console is plugged directly into a wall outlet. Temporarily bypass any power strips, as they can sometimes interfere with proper power delivery to the console. If you've tried all these troubleshooting steps and your PlayStation 5 still has a black screen, it might indicate a deeper hardware issue. At this point, it's best to reach out to PlayStation support directly or find a reputable console repair service. They'll have the specialized tools and expertise to diagnose and potentially fix the problem. We hope these tips helped you get back to gaming. If they did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful guides.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.